Okay, so the background you've seen in this video is fake. Okay, I just downloaded it and I'm using it for this video. And you can use any background of your choice for any video that you want to use in your content creation, because nowadays it's very good if you look nice and good in your background and even on the camera. So you can do this in 3 basic steps. The first one is you have to get a software, which is a free to use software and we share. It's called CapCut. Now to get CapCut, you can come anywhere within your browser and just go to Google and you can just search for CapCut just like so. I've made a complete tutorial about how to use CapCut if you're interested. Now you can see it all in one video editor and graphic design tool. So you can click on this. So if you want to use it online, you can just directly go ahead and sign in, or if you don't have an account, it's easy to create an account. You can just create an account and sign up. But if you don't want to use it online, you can always download and have the desktop version. So let me show you how to do that. You can just go to anywhere, let's say Google, and then we can just search for CapCut here, and then we can just go ahead and click on this. So you'll be brought in here. So you have the option to sign up for free if you want to use it online, or sign in if you've already created the account. All right. And then if you want to use it offline, you can just go ahead and download for your operating system. This one automatically detects that I'm using Mac operating system. That's why it is giving me the Mac version. So you can just go ahead and download it and install. It's free and it's easy to install and download on your system as well. So once you download, you can go to the next step. So you have it downloaded and you can open it on your system. It's going to look something like this. It's pretty looking complex, but it's very, very easy to use. Now the second step is you're going to have to record your video. You can record your video anywhere. Regardless, you just have to have a clean background that has nearly the same color if possible. Or if you can use green screen, it's better. But if you cannot use green screen, just have any video. CapCut is very good with removing background of videos. So just pick in any video. Just make sure that you are properly situated for the video. You can just have some lightings in front of you before you start so that you can have very good image of yourself. So once you record the video, in this case, in this tutorial, I'm going to download an already existing video from Pexels, a website that I always use, which is completely copyright free. You can come to Pexels and you can search for any video of someone or a content creator. So I've selected this video and I want to use it. So you can just go ahead, click on download to download it. I've downloaded this image and I want to import it in the media. Okay, so we finished step 1, which is getting the software. Step 2, downloading the video or recording the video yourself if you want to record by yourself, if you want to use your own personal video. Now the last step, which is step 3, is to get the background image. Now to get that background image, I used to use one website called freepik.com. This one, freepik.com. You can just directly go there. You can go ahead and search over here for video backgrounds, and you'll be able to see very good looking video backgrounds that you can easily select and use. You can see this one. This is one of it, and they are free. There are some that are paid, but you can find a lot of free ones. See this one, it's free also. So you can just check around. This one is free. This one also is, though this one is paid. So you can just check around depending on what you're trying to create and how beautiful you want your image to look. So I've selected 2 or 3 that I've downloaded. Let me show you. Okay, so you can just go ahead and import them on your CapCut. So now we are back in CapCut. I'm going to import the background that I have downloaded. So you can come to import, navigate to wherever you have those backgrounds saved in your system. You can see we have this one, kind of like this one. So let's import this. I've downloaded it from the same Freepik. So if you import, you can drag from the media bin and dump it into the timeline. And you can see the preview as well as the properties of the image. Again, I have made complete tutorial on how to use CapCut both in the online and offline version, okay, in the desktop version as well as the online version. All right, so feel free to check out the channel, or I will drop a link to the 2 courses in my Skillshare platform, so you can just go there and watch. So while we import the image, let's go ahead and import the video again into the same timeline. So we can go ahead, come to import one more time, and then you can find where you have that video. All right, so let's say I have this video. I can just go ahead and import it, and you can see it in the media bin. Now I can just drag and drop it into my timeline. All right. So the image, you have the option to extend it however you want it. You can extend it to cover as many spaces as you want. And then you can just go ahead and select the video because it's the video that we want to remove the background on. So selecting the video, you can come to the properties over here and you can see remove BG, which means remove background. You can just select this. So you have two ways to remove background in CapCut. The first one is the auto removal, which sometimes does a good job. In some cases, you may lose some properties of the subject. And the best one is using the chroma key. That's when you have a uniform background. If you have a uniform background, like you're using a green screen, it's better to use the chroma key because it gives a fantastic result without affecting the subject. Now in this case, I want to go ahead and use the auto removal. So I can just click on auto removal and give it some seconds. And before you know it, you can see the progress over here and it's just going to remove the background for me. All right, you can see right now it has removed the background and I think it has done a fantastic job on this, but then you just need to do some tweaking, 1 or 2 tweaking to be able to get it right. You just get the message. It's just for me to be able to assign something. So we can click and then move this guy to somewhere. I want to make him smaller a bit, so we can select. We'll select from here and come to the properties and you can zoom out a little bit so that you can, I want him to at least look realistic and then look very close to this mic. Okay, and you can see right now is a bit realistic, only that this chair is now showing as if it's not sitting on the chair. So what I do is I can select on this and then I can zoom on the image a little bit. Okay, so you can see I zoomed a little bit so we can have something like this, so we will not know exactly whether he's sitting on the chair or not. And then we can select him back, select the image, and then we can bring it down a little bit. All right, so we can make him a little bit bigger and then move up a little bit. Okay, so now he fits perfectly with the microphone as if he's talking in the microphone. So let's move him a little. All right. Okay, so you can see right now he's talking to the mic, just like as if he's talking in the mic, and it looks so realistic as if he's in this studio or is this his room is decorated like this. You can just go ahead and try it on your own. Regardless of what background you have, you can always use it and then you can change the background depending. Preferably use a background with uniform color at the background or a green screen. If you have, that will make it perfect. Okay, so you can just go ahead and try it. Go ahead and give it a try on your own to see how you can create a background or change the background of your own video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for you to keep enjoying videos like this. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.